A very warm welcome to 10th B. In the first period, after a long time of 10 minutes, I can see now there are 17 students in all. All were sleeping in the class. Fine, no issues. Let's start our class without wasting a single minute. I asked you all that today it's your turn to answer me about the analytical paragraph. I guess you all remember. Today I will be calling one by one and let me see whether you have really understood or still there is any confusion. Right? I'm not going to switch off my camera. So let us start with Harshita. 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 Harshita, good morning. Are you there? Harshita, are you there? As usual, beta. This is so disgusting. I feel like insulting in the class itself, you know. Punya.
Yes, ma'am.
Punya. Punya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can you just tell me yesterday what you have understood? I have explained analytical paragraph. Today I won't be explaining it. I just want the answers from you all. Can I get those answers? Good morning, Harsh. Yes, beta, I'm asking you something. Really? Were you present in my class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you remember something? I showed you the question paper. In that one pie chart was there. Then I showed you one bar graph. Both the things I showed, I have completely, means complete pie chart was been discussed in the class. We have discussed a lot, right? And even the bar graph was also been discussed. Rakshit,
Yes.
absent yesterday. Okay. Fine, I will show the question paper at least if you remember. Let me see. Okay. Okay. I'm just showing the question to you. Just take care of it. And today we are going to solve the grammar portion. Yes. Remembered? Punya?
No, no, ma'am.
Can you now just tell me? Punya, please. What is it going on? Yeah, this is very, I am getting disheartened from you at least. I don't expect this from you, Punya.
Yes.
What? Yes, ma'am. Who will answer me this question? Yesterday we have discussed it. Gitika? 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 Oh. This class is going completely blank today. Priyam? 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 Priyam, just frame out what do you mean by analytical paragraph? Can you just draft this particular paragraph now? It is just a revision, Priyam, please. Yesterday we have discussed a lot. Gaurav? What you need, a scolding from my side? Gaurav? Okay, fine. I will quit from the class today. Right? Will it be okay? Students, shall I quit from the class? 10th B, being a class teacher, it's my order. Shall I quit from the class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Because I am feeling insulting because my class is going on and you are keeping your mouth shut. That means it's the insult of the teacher then. Isn't it? Students, 20 minutes passed. Last 20 minutes left. Will you open your mouth?
Yes, ma'am.
I expect the same. Start. Whosoever is interested, please speak out. Yes? Gaurav? Gaurav? I really need to now talk to your parents now today. Disgusting. And you know me now, once I am annoyed, I won't be talking to you all. Yogya, you want to speak something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do.
Ma'am, electric gadgets play a huge role in our daily life, and electric gadget makes our life easier.
Good.
And ma'am, electric gadgets, uh, ele- electric gadgets mm, saves our time and our energy also. Uh, मैम एग्जाम्पल मोबाइल मैम मोबाइल से अपन जैसे दोस्त को फोन लगा मतलब दोस्त को बुलाना है तो मोबाइल से अपने को इजियर बन जाता है कि
Yogya,
अपन उसको कॉल
Yogya,
यस मैम
we are in
यस मैम
an English class. I
यस
am
मैम
sorry to say you can't speak in Hindi in the online class especially.
यस
Okay. So even if you are wrong,
Yes, ma'am.
if you are not able to speak grammatically wrong, I will accept everything, but speak in English.
ओके मैम
Okay. No problem. If you are wrong, you know me very well. I never scold in the in between. But please don't try to speak in Hindi. Okay. In online class, especially,
Yes, ma'am.
I can't allow you. Huh? Chal. You continue. You are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
something. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, let's take a example
Hmm.
of mobile phones.
Hmm.
In in today life, we can speak with our friends and family members through call. Okay, ma'am.
Acha,
But
Yogya, you are talking about which one? The B section, the pie chart or the graph?
yes, ma'am.
I asked about the analytical paragraph. We have two paragraphs in front of us. One is the bar graph,
Ma'am, मैं
another
कल
one is the pie chart. You are talking
मैम
about
मैं कल absent था. कल absent लीव डाला था ना, तो मैं ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पढ़ के बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा 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 ठीक है. At least you spoke na Yogya, that is enough for me. I was thinking that my class, as being also a class teacher, I should be shameful that my class is not speaking. I know I will give
No, ma'am,
again
no,
one
ma'am.
chance, and especially the students whom I know very well, they are not speaking. That is really disgusting for me. Fine, no issues. This is the respect what you give to your teacher. No issues. A day will come back,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Okay. We will meet in 10th board.
Okay, ma'am.
Nandika, you are hereby. We discussed something yesterday, right? That is, both have discussed, the whole class discussed about the analytical paragraph. Can you just tell us that what do you mean by analytical paragraph first?
Yes, ma'am. As we had discussed previously, analytical paragraph is a paragraph wherein we are given some data and we need to analyze the data, study the data, and accordingly we have to write a paragraph about it in a given word limit. So, for example, we have one question over here about a pie chart wherein we have to look at the number of electrical gadgets in the households of Ahmedabad city. So there are a few gadgets given from a few companies. So we need to analyze the data as per how many, what is the largest company that is selling their products in the market of Ahmedabad. So here we can see that LG is the company that is selling its products, most of its products. And then there is Whirlpool and then other companies. So we need to frame out a paragraph in such a way that sales and durability and all these things that we are given in the question, like taking in consideration what the price range would be. So we have to use our imagination or figment of our imagination as well while framing out the whole paragraph.
One point I have said that you should not write in analytical paragraph. What was that point? Do you remember? If you don't remember, then I will tell. No issues. If you don't remember, just say that, ma'am, I don't remember. Okay. I said that in analytical paragraph, we are not supposed to give our own view. We have to only write the data which is available in the market and the pie chart or the graph what is available in front of us as per the study of this graph that we have to write.
Yes, ma'am, but here we are given the price range, durability, lower electric consumption, and sales and after sales service. So we are given all these parameters.
True.
So according to that, so for example, the company LG, why are they selling the most in Ahmedabad? There has to be a connection between all these criteria that we are given. So taking that into consideration, we have to use a little bit of our imagination, but not our opinion.
Exactly. Imagination can be used. You are correct, 100% correct. Imagination can be used, but opinion cannot be given. Okay, means you have to study the data which is available in the market, right? Whether it is of Ahmedabad, whether it is of Madhya Pradesh, whether it is of UP, wherever it is, you have to study that, you have to understand that, then you have to draft out the things. That is what analytical paragraph means. I hope so. The other students who all are there in my class, they have got what I mean to say. If still there is any confusion, we can clear the confusion if you want to ask me any question. Any question from your side, children? As usual, you all will say no. I expect few questions from your side. Rishabh? Rishabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what we were talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
What we were talking about, Rishabh?
Ma'am, an analytical paragraph, ma'am.
So
It's a
do you,
creative writing.
now is the concept clear about analytical paragraph or you have doubt?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt, ma'am. I have cleared it.
Don't have any doubt. So you will be able to frame out the paragraph easily. Right?
Ma'am, I need to practice some 1, 2, 3, then I'll be okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Let's see. Anyone else from the class wants to ask something or want to know something regarding this?
Ma'am, how can we can conclude analytical paragraph?
Yes, beta?
How we can conclude analytical paragraph?
True. We can conclude the analytical paragraph by studying the data which is available in the market. After writing about all the data, then you will come to know, for example, if we are talking about this pie chart, right? This pie chart, we will conclude it that after studying the durability, the price range and the lower consumption of electricity, we came to the conclusion that the particular product like XYZ is in the maximum sale. Even if after sale value also we have a good service. So about the whole data which is available to you, we will conclude it into a 1 line or 2 lines statement. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Whatever value, for example, if this bar graph is given to you, so how will you conclude it? That this is analysis of private school and a government school. We have observed that it has been, not we should write it. It has been observed that in government sector, the financial condition is not so high. I mean to say government schools, right? In government schools, the financial condition of the students is not so high. So they purchase like cell phones and net surfing is done lesser than that of the private school. First point has been concluded. Second point, you will come to the conclusion that economically, as because they are not strong, we can see easily their cell phone has been less in used, and friends are more because less of media, and net surfing is very less because they have more friends, so no time for net surfing. Watching TV is more because in this interior places or in this type of areas, TV has been watched more rather than the net surfing. So this will be in the concluding part, and you can draft out as per your data which is available. Your views. I'm not saying your opinion. You can't give your opinion in analytical paragraph. आप अपना opinion नहीं देंगे analytical paragraph में. This is the first rule of analytical paragraph. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will solve grammar portion.
Yes, ma'am.
And I want fast answers. Huh? Okay, because this question paper will be floated today itself. In developing countries such as Britain, Germany, Japan and USA, one can see a number of people all of all age groups like pensioners, school-going children, etc. First, dash, eye the meadows, forest and parks on the river banks and seashores with cameras and notebooks. The options are given below, beta. Moving about, moved about, move about, movement. Molly Lunavat. Molly. Rest of the students can start writing the answers. This will help out to solve the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
paper afterwards. Yes? Molly? Molly?
Yes,
Devang?
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Good morning. Please tell me the first
Good
answer.
morning, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Just a second.
Options are there.
Ma'am, option number A, moving about, moving about.
Moving about. Let us see. Once again, I will read. The developing countries such as Britain, Germany, Japan, USA, one can see a number of people of all age groups like pensioners, school-going children, etc. Dash eye the meadows, forest parks on river banks and seashores with cameras and notebooks. Moving about, eye the meadows. Are you sure? Anyone else? Yogya, speak out if you want to speak. No
Ma'am,
problem.
moving
Speak,
about is
Yogya.
right answer.
Huh?
Ma'am, moving about is right answer. Moving about.
Moving about is the right answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, move about, option C.
Move about. Anyone else would like to speak out? Move about, I the meadows. 2-3 days before, when we were solving grammar, if you remember, children, I have said that we have to see the need of the hour. Need of the hour means whatever is needed for that particular sentence. We have to see the tense, we have to see the situation, right? So moving about I the meadows is the correct answer. Right? Now dash birds, seashores with cameras and notebooks, dash birds.
Option B, jotting down the names, colors, and size of the different birds.
Option B.
B.
Jotting down the names, colors and size of the different birds. Correct. Correct. All of you please note it down, because when you will solve the rest of the question, you can just merge it. Simple. Next will be third one. Options are, let me show you the options. First, see the question. Each member of a bird watching club, each member of a bird watching club dash a badge, identity card and map of the area.
Ma'am, option C is provided with.
Is provided
Option
with.
Provided with. Correct. Correct. C.
Yes,
Option
ma'am.
C. Correct answer. Is provided with. Now let us move to the sixth question. All are giving answers. Very good. I just want this interactive class. It should be an interactive class. Otherwise, I'm just like a dummy sitting over in front of you all. Read the comic strip. This is a comic strip given, right? And complete the passage given below. Write the correct answers against the correct blank number. Right? Even as Monu was about to go out to lay, his grandmother asked him. First, dash. Asked him.
Who is your best?
Who is your best friend? Option D.
Who is his best friend?
Who? B or just speak out loudly. Option number
D.
B.
D.
Who his best friend was. Right. Gently kicking his ball, a happy looking Monu replied, his best friend was Shashank. This surprised the grandmother. She thought that Shamu had been his best friend. She asked, dash. She asked, dash. She asked. She asked.
Ma'am, C option.
Option number.
Option C, ma'am. C.
Option number C,
C.
correct answer. With a grin on his face, Monu replied that. Monu replied that.
Ma'am, option A.
Monu replied that if I beat him,
Ma'am, option B.
he back. If he beats him, he did not beat me back. If he beat him, he did not beat him back. Which one?
Option A.
If I beat him, he does
Option
not
B.
beat me back. Correct. Question number 7. In the blanks with any 4, fine. He drove with dash car and hence was fined by dash police.
B.
He drove with B. What you all said? Children, what you all said?
Option B.
Ma'am, option number B.
Yes, option
He
number
drove
B.
with
Ma'am,
little
option
care
number
and
B.
hence was
Ma'am,
Yes.
little.
Yes, option number B is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, question number 2. The Prime Minister dashed for Russia tomorrow on a 5-day visit.
Ma'am, option number C. Will leave.
Correct. Very good. Means in the morning hours, 20 minutes you were sleeping in the class, then 20 minutes you woke up. I did not know Jim dashed to the United States. I did not know Jim
migrated. C.
C.
Migrated.
migrated to United States. Migrated to United States. Correct. Traveling by bus is dash expensive than by train.
Less.
Less expensive.
Yes,
Less expensive.
Less expensive.
true.
A option.
The climate is getting dash every year.
Hot. A.
Water.
Hotter. What you all said?
Hot every year.
Ma'am, hot every year.
No.
A option. Hot.
The climate is getting.
Ma'am, water. Option C.
Option number
Ma'am,
C.
D option. Less.
6th question. I like short stories best because they.
C.
Don't take. C.
Option number A.
Yes, ma'am. Don't
Option
take.
C.
Think and decide. Option number
C.
C. They don't take much time to read. Okay. So hereby the time is over. We have to move for our next class, right? And I expect this that the whole paper grammar is solved, analytical paragraph is solved, rest of the part, the complete paper you will solve and send it to me. This was the easiest way to which we can do for the revision, both side, right? I expect this from your side today. The paper will be uploaded right now. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much for coming to the class.
Bye, ma'am.
Tracing
Bye,
me.
ma'am.
Yes. After 20 minutes, you all started answering. That was a pleasant time for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.